me show you how to make a Cosmo.
Who hasn't had one of those before?
And watch us struggle to figure out where our vodka is. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek. Dan, Ian, and Derek.
Don't get confused.
I don't know why. We're going to make you a Cosmopolitan. So simple. It's a vodka drink. And that means I'm going to get more views on this and everything else because for some reason people still think vodka is like the hardest thing to work with. Otherwise, why are they looking up drinks?
It's citrus vodka.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
There's a lot of vodka in there.
I haven't looked at vodka in a long time.
You got some Stoli, you got some vanilla, you got some grapefruit, you got some Tito's, you got some strawberry, you just gotta fucking bury your head in it. I have pear. Keep going. Although...
Are we starting over or is it staying in the shot?
Oh, I'm having a good time.
Ocean?
Let's use it.
Lemon.
Isn't that citrus vodka?
Well, lemon isn't citrus and so is orange. Is it citrus or is it just citrus flavored vodka?
So you tell me, what is it?
Is it like is it syrupy or is it like?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Is it like a 40%? It's cloudy.
It's handmade. That's why it's 35. This is 35 is a citrus vodka.
So it's sugared down a little bit.
Oh, a little bit.
That's okay.
All right, let's do it.
You can use
Let's do it. We're gonna do it. We can make plain one.
Use this. Because that's good, and it goes with all the rest of the ingredients.
Kettle orange vodka.
It's gonna be like double orange.
So we're gonna use Kettle 1.
Huh?
What happened?
Propose a solution.
He's the manager, only does the proposed podcast.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Wait,
go.
what? Are you using that one?
Yes. Look, so Deep Eddy lemon vodka is more probably like lemon. No, I don't know. It's just got a little bit more sugar in it. That might still have a lot of sugar. It might still be 35%.
40.
Did you taste the?
We went with the one that had less sugar. Did I taste it? No, it tastes like lemon vodka. Exactly. It's citrus vodka because lemon, grapefruit, orange are all citrus. Lime, citrus. But that's going to give you... It's too sour. It's got citric acid. That's probably what they did. This is just better. So, this is a good thing. So the Kettle 1 I think is the right way. This is the Kettle 1 orange. And some orange.
Orange.
So the recipe is 1.5 ounces.
I have to pour a quarter ounce of this.
Hold on.
I can do this.
Do you need the knife?
Yeah. Do you want to cut? Oh, dude, throw that up in the air.
No.
No.
Ceiling.
No.
This is awesome. So the recipe is going to be a quarter ounce of cranberry juice, half ounce of fresh lime juice, an ounce of triple sec, and 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. I read it backwards on purpose. So I was going to need to drink this anyway, so I figured I'd open it rather than getting a small bottle. So it'll just go in the fridge. You know what the problem is with this? It doesn't fucking fit in the fridge. You have to put it this way.
Because it's fucking huge.
I know. I don't know why I own this. Did we? Oh, it's probably from BJ's Wholesale. Yeah, we brought it to the pool.
Oh.
They had 2 of them. So
Jesus Christ.
What are you guys making?
I don't remember, but we didn't not drink it because I still.
Oh, maybe the pink Cadillac?
Oh, it might have been pink Cadillac.
Probably the pink Cadillac.
Well, even if you drink a lot of pink Cadillacs,
that's a lot.
it's only down to like here,
yeah.
and then I ended up drinking the rest of it, not all at once. No, I had no UTIs.
Yeah, no UTIs for like a year. You were just like
I was sticking my penis in
free and
everything.
clear.
I could not get one.
Nope. You were fucking protected.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Shit stays in your system forever.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, finally.
Oh, look, it's like it's.
Is it red enough?
It's not red enough.
Oh, there's a quarter ounce of this
No,
stuff in
Cosmo.
here, so.
I think you're thinking of like a Cape Codder.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, there was a
okay.
redder. Where does that look okay?
There's no lime wheel.
What's that? There's no lime.
Fuck
what?
limes.
I don't have a lime.
No lime wheels.
No lime wheels.
That's all I have left from last time we were drinking.
I can put an orange in if you want.
No.
No.
Best I can do is orange. You want
I will
lime?
throw it up in the air and see if you can cut a wheel out of it. No,
gonna make me
no,
clean
it
the
already made a
fucking
mess.
If you're gonna pick up
All
after me, I'll do
hold
it.
on.
You got a pinky out on that bitch. There you go. That's a Cosmo. My dad drinks these, right? Isn't this what my dad's been drinking?
Yeah.
I think.
No, isn't it Appletinis or something?
No. That's
No,
their pear teenies.
Pear
So those are only at home. You can't get those out of.
Samantha.
No, when he goes out, when he goes out to a restaurant, my dad, who only has my entire life drank like beer and like he drank Bud Light during the day and real beer at night, right? And now he drinks Cosmos at the bar when he goes out to. I'm like, what happened?
I think that's not terrible.
No, it's not
refreshing.
terrible. It's just
it's all right. I don't know.
I can see
It's
that
like-
as a spring cocktail.
It's a little like, it makes me go,
Like things that make
because
you
it's.
go,
Is it because
CNC Music Factory?
yeah.
you know what? Tell me if I'm wrong here, but the reason that you have a problem with this is it's got all the sour structure of, say, a daiquiri, without the. I don't want to say interestingness, but that's what
It doesn't have the sweetness of the daiquiri. Or it doesn't
have, like, the
rumminess.
character?
Yeah. Because
yeah.
rum has character, yeah.
Right.
I think the curacao we're using helps this quite a bit, as opposed to like
To
some
make it
cheap
taste like
triple
something?
sec, yeah.
Yeah.
Or I mean, you would use a Cointreau in a.
And it would also,
Cosmo
though, make it
typically,
sweeter.
right?
So if you like
Yeah.
sweeter drinks, then maybe you go with the cheap $6 bottle. Like
It's all right.
it just tastes like a drink. It tastes like a cocktail that has had its soul sucked out of it, and you're just drinking the memories of what it might have once tasted like.
Well, remember, people drink vodka soda waters nowadays, so.
Yeah.
Fair enough. It is better than vodka soda water. It's just not interesting, and I don't understand vodka. So they also have non-alcoholic, like, hard water now, which doesn't
Like
make
seltzer water?
Yeah, like,
Exactly.
but like Truly and all those companies have like a
Hard.
non-alcoholic version of their shit.
Does it taste like there's alcohol in it?
I don't.
Why do I
know,
want
but
to take? Why do I want to drink something that tastes like shit and it doesn't
And
give me
doesn't
buzz?
have-
like, I can drink this. It's not giving me a buzz, and
I
it
can drink
tastes
these
like
all
shit.
night.
Yeah. Yeah, like
drink
drink
water all night.
Drink
Yeah, drink
seltzer
water.
water. It's like the same thing, but better for
So
you.
you can
Ass
pretend
hat.
you're drinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's like you know the water we get, the dead water,
Liquid death.
liquid death that looks like
The
it's
dead water. You know that dead water we get?
it looks like it's
It's always limp.
alcohol or
Pour it
maybe
from
an
the flame.
energy drink or something,
Yeah.
and it's just water.
It's just water. Yeah.
It's like that. They're like, how do we make something look cool and charge you the same price as we normally would, but we don't give you any of the stuff that you want?
yeah.
That's the idea of
It's the marketing machine at work.
We just fill it
non-alcoholic.
with-
Because they know
Alcohol.
people got to look cool when they go out. So
Right.
There's a
You
price
gotta,
for that.
you know what you do to look cool? Just exercise. Something, I don't know, like
Just like,
just look healthy.
Just
Don't-
like-
Middle of the
Exercise.
club,
What?
you're like, look, I look cool. I'm exercising.
it's just like
No, this is more of a premeditated thing. Like you exercise ahead of time
Oh,
to get in shape, so that when you go, you can like look cool. Versus like,
he's just on the dance floor pumping iron.
also known as how not to look cool.
Well, dancing's a workout, right?
it's true. It's true.
Yeah, dude. If you dance every weekend, that's like one workout a week. That's not too bad. All right, so
I think
there you
we have
go.
to dance.
I think we've explained it with Cosmo. It's got history. It's rich and deep.
Sex and City. blah,
whatever.
blah, blah.
It's
It's
all
an
right.
okay drink.
Yeah.
If you like vodka, we just aren't big vodka drinkers. We want a little bit more soul and panache in our drink. So this is
If
what you
you
get.
haven't
Did
graduated,
you say panache?
I did.
Okay.
Emphasis on ass.
yes. That's in the
Panache.
club.
All right, I'll leave that.
Panache. That's it. Sidebar. More videos with much more panache. And down
Panache.
below, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit at AwesomeDrinks.com. We're teaching you how to drink